Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix delayed messages on GB WhatsApp. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to fix the issue that you are having, what you need to do is open up your WhatsApp, and there on the top right corner of the screen, you'll have three dots. Yes, I'm using an iPhone, but nonetheless, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So simply tap on the three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then on tapping that, on the top of the options, you'll have GB settings, right? Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll have options like privacy and security, add-ons, updates, about, and etc. Simply tap on privacy and security, and once you're inside privacy and security, you'll have an option that says freeze last seen. If that is toggled on, that might be causing the issue that you are having, so simply toggle that off. And once you are done with that, tap on contacts under privacy, and then uncheck all the boxes, and do the same for groups, uncheck all the boxes. And once you are done with that, all you gotta do is just go back and then tap on updates, and once you're there, tap on check for updates to get to the latest version. And once you do that, if the problem still persists, then what you need to do is go back and tap on apps and notifications, and then select GB WhatsApp. And once you're there, tap on permissions. Any of the permissions are not allowed, then simply just allow all the permissions. And once you're done with that, you'll have an option that says storage and cache. Simply clear all the storage and cache, and once you're done with that, your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.